get ready, get ready.
You don't know if you're with friendlies, we are all Zulus, okay? Let's avoid some friendly fire.
You guys ready?
Well, it's gonna be kind of hard to, you know, spot the somewhat.
That's what sucks. They should have something on their arm or something to mark.
Go! Go, go, go!
Contact's my 12, I can't see him.
I think they're in the trees.
Yeah, they are right side over there somewhere.
Where are they at? I can't.
It's in the right side woods somewhere. I don't know.
Holy shit. Top of the tide. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, sounds like they're dead. I'm moving up.
There's like one right behind the heights over there.
What the hell was that? Can you see him? I can't see anybody.
Going in the woods. Grab him. There's one.
I'm moving up.
I don't see him behind that height. We got someone right up here.
Is that friendly?
Yeah. Right across.
Oh man.
I got one right side.
One right side?
I'm at 1 o'clock. You got him, Stump?
Hey, you? Roger. Contact's moving left on the right side. Hey, what are you doing? Are you hit? Nice hit. You gotta yell.
One's moving up center.
How's that left side doing, guys? Roger. You just watch that side. You watch that side. You're gonna be something behind it.
Bullshit.
Hey!
Right in the face.
Hit! Hit! Okay, I'm out. I'm out for the game.